Okay, Vicky, I'm going to go through my settings. Hopefully you can read them. Let me know if you can't. But I'm really not seeing anything that would be, really different or matter. Um, but I did find one thing, which I'll show you, that might be the thing. Let me just get all the way down first. Okay, so those are all my settings. You might want to double check under special modes just in case. The other thing that I found was if you go down to manage settings of visibility and then printers and then machine settings, this probably should be about the same. But under extruder 1, I messed with my nozzle settings. So I'm using a 5mm nozzle, but I listed it as 4mm, and then this is what I used as my material size. So that could be making the difference. I don't think I know I messed with these things, but I don't think I changed anything on my materials. Um, and I didn't mess with this either. Um, so that would, I'm just going through real quick. But my best guess would be to check what I just showed you. I'm just seeing if any of this rings a bell. No, none of that. And then under general, yeah, I didn't change anything in this either. So again, my best suggestion is under the 3 bars, manage settings, printers, machine settings, and then change your nozzle settings.